Hello everyone, I'm Rachel from YesTech, and our company is located in China, and we are LED screen manufacturer, professional LED screen manufacturer, and we are very focused on rental business. Now,
What do we see here?
yeah, now here you can see the whole image and the solution, like the time tunnel, and at the behind of the screen we have a dreaming castle. So maybe we can take a round.
Let's walk around.
Yeah.
Oh, you can go behind.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's like a
So
cool demo of the whole technology.
Here is a time tunnel, and you can see we have a 4 circular, and the dance floor actually it's made of the one type product. We call it the magic stage, and we can come here, and our magic stage. One of these product function is dance floor, and each cabinet can be 4.6 tons. So that means you can drive in a car on our LED floor.
Is it possible that maybe it could be interactive? Maybe
Yes.
if people dance cool, it looks better?
It can be interactive and without interactive. So it depends on your solution. So each panel can be 4.6 tons. That means hundreds of person can dancing on our LED floor.
It's so cool.
Okay, here we have many other solution. It's like we call Rubik. It can show 6 size.
Even on top also.
Yes. And here we have a solution, and we have 3 series product. It can assemble it together.
And it's like a wave.
Yes, you can make a wave image. So we have one series, and a flexible series, and a die casting series.
And they all put together somehow?
Yes. So that means 3 series product can connect it together.
Nice.
Okay.
How's the total resolution here?
Sorry?
Is it high resolution?
Yes. It's now the pixel pitch is 2.6, and of course we can do 1.9. Okay.
Nice.
And that's where we can see we call the Dream Castle solution.
Let's check out the Dream Castle.
Yes.
So please explain. What do we see?
Okay. Now you see the Dream Castle solution is made of also the same series from the time tunnel. Also is from Magic Stage. It can the product can stacking, hanging as dance floor, but also combined with our creative shapes, like the triangle, the round one, and the cube. So you can use your imagination to create amazing and wonderful stage.
Even there's a screen on top.
Even under the top of the screen.
And they easily, it's like a Lego. You just put them together how you like,
Yeah.
and you have a heart shape.
Yes.
What kind of shapes is possible?
The shape actually is assembled by the regular one, and the triangle, the fun-sected ones.
Nice. And right here you show some of the panels.
And the panel you can see here, it's our mantle series, die casting mantle series. And this
so which one we're talking about?
This one we are talking about is a magic stage. It's creative shapes. You can see we have 3 sides, and we have a round for the 90-degree corner, and also we have the straight 90 degree, and we have triangle, and we have the front sector screens. And this is our regular one. So every series can combine together and create amazing and wonderful image.
How is Connect?
We have connectors. So it's quite easy. And maybe we can, yes. So one side you insert one cabinet, and this side insert another cabinet. It can connect together, and then turn this part, and it is locked.
Secure.
Yes.
It's locked.
Yes.
And Connect. This also power and data, or where does it power and data go through?
Power and data will be. This is we can see. We have a power and data. Yeah.
All right. All right. Is your company famous? Let's go this way. Is your company famous in the industry?
Yes.
You have big production?
Yes, we have 24 years until now. And
where's your company based?
we are based in Changsha, in the middle and south of China. And we have 24 years experience for the LED screen manufacture. And we have been selling a lot of LED wall and solution in Europe and in North America.
And what is this one?
This one we call MT series. Actually, this is the one type of the LED display technology, and it's a transparent one. So sometimes, some stage, some customer will use LED screen as the background. So the transparent one is good choice.
Nice. Are all these displays very, very expensive, or are you providing a great value for money?
It's not very cheap. It depends on client demands because we have different configurations.
Right. Do you have some very cool customers who make amazing projects around the world?
Yes, we have lots. So like this one.
Can you explain some? Oh, this is, for example?
This is our one of the most serious, famous stage and projects.
Which country is this?
In United States, and for the Super Bowl.
Super Bowl?
Yes.
Oh, wow. So do you work with all the best engines that run these displays? You're compatible with different CPU that can run the whole system? Yes.
How to say? Because our business is very focused on LED screen. So, what do you mean the engine?
Yeah, so there's a CPU somewhere. It's running everything.
You mean, yes, every cabinet have the driving IC. Okay, so we have a computer and software to control everything.
All right. Cool. Thanks a lot. It's always busy here. People always want to take a video of your demo. It looks cool. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, you're welcome.